Guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. And today we are going to make some drink, and we're going to use apple, lemon, radish, and pineapple. So I've washed all my fruits. I've cut my pineapple just to make sure that it was not spoiled. I didn't want to cut it on the camera and then it spoiled. So we are going to get into our juicing. So guys, we are going to peel our pineapple, and of course, you know, I'm not throwing away my skins. I saw someone put the skin through the juicer. I yet to try that. So our main focus today is on the radish. And guys, you know that radish have vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium. It helps with free radical also. So guys, I'm going to have to put this in a pot. And I'm going to make some tea with it and juice with it. Yes, the skin of the pineapple is good. You can go and watch the tea that I made from the skin. So we're going to just take out the core. And you don't have to throw away the core, you know, like I eat the core. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. And of course, let me show you the main ingredients is the radish. So let's open one of them. So this is the main ingredients. Very good for you. So the radish helps to lower blood pressure, which is good. It helps to support the immune system. So let's peel our lemon, and we are not going to throw away the skins. Before I go to sleep tonight, I am going to make a cup of tea. So we're going to pop our lemon skin in the cup, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator so they keep fresh and nice, and then we're going to pour our hot water on it, and we are going to core our apples. Every kitchen needs a core. So look at the seeds, you can plant them. See how the juice just drop on top of the board, which is nice. You see it, guys? Look at the juice. You see the juice? Ooh. So guys, I never make my juice with the seeds. At one time, someone said it's very poisonous. I don't want to use the word that they tell me about it, but I'm yet to do the research on it, so I don't use the seeds. So this is the apple core, and this is what it looks like. So guys, I'm going to pour the rest off camera, and we're going to start our juicing. So now I've set up my area and we're gonna start packing our apples in the juicer. Now open our lid and we're gonna put some apples in. And we're gonna put some pineapples in. The lemon in. And we're gonna put some radish in. So this lower your blood pressure, guys. Really nice. It's a piece of the radish, the stem, which is good. Okay, so let's start our juicing. So let us focus on the radish in this juice. It helps to clear that cloggy mucus from the body. It helps to clean the liver and the kidney and support the lymphatic system. It is high in sulfur, and guys, trust me, if you add radish to any drink that you have, you will have a good benefit. You get good benefit from it. So I urge you to do your research. So it helps with blood sugar. It helps to protect your heart and improve your gut. And look how everything being crushed and squeezed. It improves skin health and is high in vitamin C. So guys, who would want to try something like this? It's high in fiber and much more. And when I say much more, people with hemorrhoids can drink this juice. It will help because of the radish in it. Now we have almost a full mixing bowl, and it's almost time to let our juice out. So now you have, when you have a full mixing bowl, you can let out your juice. So let's see. Wow, let's let out our juice. Now we are gonna let out our first batch of juice. There you have it. And guys, I've purchased a strainer from Covins, because as you know, I am using Covin Auto 10. Let's try the strainer for the second batch and see how it goes. Guys, this is the strainer, and it comes with this that you push down. Let's see how much pulp we get out of the second batch. Let's try the strainer. Radish have natural detoxifying properties that help clean the liver and the kidney. They stimulate the production of bile, which aids in flushing out toxin from your liver. So this juice, along with the apple, they keep the doctor away, and the pineapple with the bromelain is one powerful juice. So I am going to stop the juicer and put the rest of the fruits in. So guys, let's pop in some more fruits. And keep going. So this drink is full of fiber, sugar, a little bit, protein, calcium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin C. So there you have it, one powerful all-in-one juice. So now we have half a mixing bowl. Look at it, guys. I would love to send a glass or more to some of my subscribers. There you have the trash coming out, and of course it is dry. So guys, I'm gonna store my juice this week in bottles, and these are from Coven only. So let's see if we get any pulp from this drink. So let's have a close-up look. We're gonna take our time and just let out a little. Yeah, we did get some. All right, so we're gonna switch this jug because it's already. The natural spice and mustard oil in radish stimulates circulation and thin mucus. Snack up on your radish, juice it, eat it, do whatever you want to do with it. So we are heading to half a mixing bowl. So here you have a close-up look, and we're gonna get two different color of juice, red and yellow. So the pineapple reduce inflammation, also support immune function and aid in digestion. So all of these ingredients put together give you one anti-inflammatory fighting drink, natural, no sugar. Okay, so let's put our strainer to the test. It works. I'm just testing it. I prefer when you have the fiber in the juice because it's good for your gut. But however, if someone come to my house and they don't want it like that, I'll strain it for them. So this is it. This is what we get. So let's close our smart cap and continue with our juicing. So guys, we are looking at the Triton, which is the main juicing bowl, and Hooper is 100% BPA free, impact resistant, clear and safe for food contact. So the material that they use, very good. So guys, I hear people talk about the juicer clogging. My juicer don't clog. This is a Coven out of 10 and this is the best on the market. Look at the top, you can see that I add an extension to the hooper so I can make more juice. We're gonna let out our 4th batch of juice. So guys, we are gonna serve our drink. So guys, we're gonna pour just that bit. Then we're gonna add this to it. So there you have it. And of course we're gonna mix this. Same thing like we did. And we're gonna put them in the bottle. So these bottles were sent to me with the juicer from Coven. I just didn't want to use any bottle that doesn't go with what I'm using. So we have some more juice in the machine. I'm gonna let it out and add it to the other bottle. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can fill this bottle up. So it looks like we're getting 2 bottles. I'll give Tony one to take to work. Okay. So guys, just to show you before the video ends, this is how I wash. So you do like this, you put the soap and you scrub it. So this comes with the Cuvin Revo 830. And this one is a little bit different. It comes with the Auto 10. So it goes through the hole like this. So this one is for the Revo 830. So I will demonstrate and show you how you lock it and how you twist it and wash. So it does come with a lot of things. Next week I'll show you what else it comes with. So like, share and comment. Have a lovely weekend and thank you so much for watching. And remember to invest in a juicer. Doesn't matter what juicer, is still a juicer. So as long as it can make juice, it's a juicer. But I love my Cuvins. So see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a lovely weekend and thank you again for watching and your support.